Alright, so the first video's out. I decided I'm gonna keep going. Of course, the editing will probably get a little better, so hopefully that does happen. This time we're jumping into the N category. So here we go. Now that you are seeing more of a pattern of T symbols, you can probably guess the sounds for the N column. So we'll go over that. We've got NA, which na, like nap, na, na.
な、
Nah, and I'm actually gonna lower this because I heard it in the thing, so I'm gonna put it at one volume and see if that works, hopefully.
な、
Nah. Uh, anata.
あなた、
Anata means you. 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 What? Then, sakana, which means
魚、
fish. Ni. Okay. Sounds like ni. That's ni.
に、
Uh, nani. Nani. What?
何、
Nani. Niku,
肉、
which means meat. Then new. New always looks like
ぬ、
V2, like version 2, which that's what I remember this one. So new, version 2. New. Inu,
犬、
dog.
犬、
And ne, ne. That sounds like new, or that looks like new, but it's like kind of like it doesn't have the V, so I think it's like more like ne, ne. You know, they barely wanted to do
ね、
it. Ne. Neko. Ayo.
猫、
Okane. Okane, money.
お金、
No. It's just no. It looks like a fancy no, like a extended no. That's one. That one's easy. Kino.
昨日、
Kino. Yesterday. All right. So now we do these. So no. Looks like a fancy no. We have nah. That looks like it's like trying to spell something, but it jumps over it, right? It's like nah. That's how I remember that one. Nah. If you know, it makes sense to me. This isn't kind of like new again, but it doesn't do the V, so it's like neh. You know, it's like a two, right? So it's like the second option. Neh, neh. Then we got new. That's version 2 new. It's new. And then ni. This one just looks like a person standing, right? And then they have their hand out, and that's their leg. So that's the knee. That's how I see this one. That's knee. Might not make any sense to anyone, but it makes sense to me. So maybe it helps somebody out there. Okane. No. Ni. The ni. Kinu. Kino. Kino. And then ne. Ne. Nah. Nah is the one that doesn't connect. The T that it goes over that other thing. Ta. New. Version 2. New. And then we do ne. Ni. New. No. Nah. That's N done. And I'm actually gonna do all four that we're gonna learn in this one square, like right there, because I don't want to deal with having to make them all lined up. That bothered me too. Don't worry, you're not the only one. So now we go to H. H sound is a bit more breathy, so I'll keep that in mind. So it's like, coincidentally, it's very close to haha. Ha.
は、
Hana.
花、
Flower. Hako.
箱、
Box. Then we'll go to the next one, which is he. This one's like, it looks like a smile, right? It's like saying he
ひ、
or he. Sorry, he. This one's he. Hito, person.
人、
Then we have fu. This one's interesting. This one's fu. Like it's this look of the mouth going fu, right? Very easy. It's got the little like lips and stuff. Fu.
ふ、
Hard to mess that one up. Fuku, which
服、
means clothes. Then we got fune, which is ship,
船、
boat. And then we'll go to he. This one, if you ever watch any anime, this looks like one of the faces or one of the mouths they make when they go he. He. Got him, right?
へ、
He. Heta. Heta is bad
下手、
at. That's what I am right now, but we're gonna get better. Then ho. Home. This is the
ほ、
one I confuse with ke. Hoshi. Star.
宝石、星、
Then we got Haoseki? Haoseki? Yeah, Hoseki.
宝
Hoseki.
石、
That's the one I always get stuck with. It's whole. But we got this. So this is fu, blowing the thing. He, like a smile, he he. Then we got ho. Ho is 2 lines. Gotta remember that. And Hoseki is. See, this is the one that I confuse it with because look at how similar they are. That sucks. But we're gonna overcome that. So it's ho seki means gems or jewelry. This is ha. So ha is the first one that comes. So that's 1 line, and ho is 2. That's how we're gonna remember that. He, right? Hako. That's hako. 1 line. Hako box. Fu is that. Then we got ha is 1. And then we got ho is 2. And then hoshi. Hoshi. And then he is the mouth looking one. He's the other mouth. He. That's for these. I'll sometimes do the easy ones first, like fu, he, he. And then this is where you're like, oh shit, right? But ho and ha. We got that down now. 1 and 2 lines. So we got H taken care of. Now we're gonna jump straight to M. M is very straightforward. You could probably already guess. Alright, we'll go over them. As always, you add the M to mo, mom, mo,
ま、
oh ma, ma. Alright. Namae,
名前、
namae, name. Ima, now.
今、
The next sound is me, me, me,
み、
me, me,
耳、
mimi. Oh shit. Mise,
店、
store. God, I hope I'm doing this okay. Then this one's kind of pronounced mu, mu, mu,
む、
mushi,
虫、
and mune,
胸、
bug and chest. Not to get it correct, confused with new. This one is me. It's pronounced like a short me. Me, meh,
目、
meh. Ame.
亀、
It's morning.
雨、
Oh, rain. Sorry, it's rain. Kame.
亀、
Turtle. Then mo is mo, like mope. Mo.
も、
Mono. It's a thing.
もの、
Kumo
雲、
is clouds or spiders. All right, so here we go. So this one, it looks like it's just like it's got a hook, right? And hooks, it looks like, just take the bottom of it, and that's the U, mu, right? That's how I'm gonna remember that, mu. Then we got meh. This one's like I mentioned, it's like new, but it's like it doesn't have the 2 in it, right? So it's meh, meh. It's a version, meh, right? So we gotta remember how to do the drawing it later, but we'll get to that part. Then this one is me. This one looks like that 7 that has the line through it. I don't do that at all, but this one It's easy for me to remember it because if I were to translate my name in hiragana, is starts with me. So that's how I remember this one, which not everyone is able to do that, but you know, we're gonna have to find a way to remember that one. But for now, we know that's me. Then there we go with mo, which it looks like the hook from mu, but this one doesn't have the little circle in it, right? The circle is like a moon, right? Mo, moon. And we can do. Oh, is this ma? This is ma. Yeah, because the other one's a. This is mo. Shit. Okay, mushi. Mushi. That's not a circle at all. It's a line. Ah, it's scuffed. This is ma. Because that's two. Meh. We have meh. We have mu. I guess mu is mu. Mo. Mo's this one? No. What? Kumo. Kumo. Mo is that. Ma. Ma is this one with two of them. Me. I know me. And then we'll get ma. Me. Mo. Mu. Me. And we're gonna go back and fix those. So this is mo. I guess that looks more like a hook than the other one. Mo. It's like got a circle in it. Mo. Okay. Okay, we got that. We got that. It's like a circle mo. Alright. Next we're gonna go to the Y column. This is the last one of this video. It's pronounced like there's only three of these. Very, very nice. So ya, like ya. Ya.
や、
Then we got yasai,
野菜、
vegetable. Yamo, yama,
山、
mountain. Okay, and then you. This looks like a really weird Y if you look at it a certain way, but it looks like a Y, right? It's got the Y, and it has like a U going through it. So you. That's how I remember this one. You. Yan. Yame.
夢、
Or Yume. Sorry, Yume, dream. And Yuki,
雪、
snow. Hiragana yo. Like yo. Yo.
よ、
Hey yo. Then we got Yoru.
夜、
We haven't learned Rus yet, but we're gonna get there. O Oneyo. Is that Oneyo? Ohio.
おはよ
Ohio. Alright, we get better. Yo. This one looks just like a. It looks like a music note. Yo, music note. Yo, music. You. The Y with the U in it. And then we have Yume. Dream. And this one looks like, yeah. This one, it looks like, I don't know. It just looks like it. If you look at here, the one on top and the one on the bottom, it looks like a capital Y. Like, yeah. You know, I don't know. In a way, right? Yeah. So, yasai. Yasai. Yo. Yo, music. You. You with the U in it. Y with the U in it. Yeah. Capital P, I guess. But I don't know. It just looks like a Y to me. And these are pretty easy. Got yo, yeah, and you. And we're done with these. So yeah, that's it. Next we're gonna tackle the R's, W's, and Dakuten. Both parts of Dakuten. Perfect. Alright. That's part two. Hopefully this helps someone out. I'm probably just gonna upload these all. These are uploaded in like the long forms, and we'll edit them down shortly into shorter ones later on because I don't even know how to edit, man. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But hopefully this helped. Hopefully this is better than the first one and definitely shorter. So we'll keep on pushing.